If you're looking at Chaos World on Cross and wondering what the game is all about, then this video is for you. A lot of people are joining right now, but many are still confused about how the core system work together. So in this video, I'm breaking down the gameplay, how guild work, what PvP feels like, and whether the PvE content is worth your time. If you're thinking about trying Chaos World, stick around. So let's get into it. Chaos World is a new MMORPG that launched on the Cross blockchain at the end of April 2026. It's a 3D fantasy game with Web3 features, but today we're focusing on the actual gameplay experience rather than the token side. So let's start with the gameplay. One of the biggest features in Chaos World is its auto farming system. Instead of manually fighting every monster, you can set your character to automatically attack, use skills, and loot items. This makes the game much more hands-off compared to traditional MMORPGs. Many players use auto-farming to level up and gather resources while doing other stuff. Because of this, progression feels quite steady. You can leave your character farming in a good spot and come back later to collect what you've earned. There are also daily quests and activities that give extra rewards, so combining auto farming with daily content helps you progress faster. That said, because a large part of the game revolves around auto farming, the gameplay can feel passive. There isn't much manual combat or skill-based gameplay like dodging or timing attacks. Most of your time is spent setting up your character, choosing good farming spots, and managing your inventory and gear. The world itself is decently sized, and there are different areas you can set your character to farm in. However, since auto farming is the main way to progress, the game leans more toward efficiency and setup rather than active gameplay. While the solo experience is mostly built around auto farming, playing with other people can make things even more interesting. That's where the guild system comes in. Guilds in Chaos World serve both social and practical purposes. Being in a guild gives you access to group activities, shared goals, and a community to play with. Guilds can organize events and help members with progression since the game runs on the cross ecosystem. Some guilds also work together on larger group content and economy-related activities. Joining an active guild can make the game feel less repetitive, especially if members share good farming spots or run group content together. On the other hand, being in an inactive guild can make the experience feel even more solo and automated. If you plan to play for a while, finding a decent guild early can improve your overall experience. PvP. Now let's talk about it. PvP in Chaos World exists in both open world and more organized format. In the open world, players can fight each other, which can happen while people are auto-farming. There are also guild-based PvP activities where groups compete against each other. Because a lot of progression happens through auto-farming, PvP can sometimes feel unbalanced, especially if one side has better gear from efficient farming. However, guild PvP and organized fights tend to be more structured and competitive. Right now, the PvP scene is still growing since the game is new. The more players that reach higher levels and join guilds, the more active the PvP content should become. On the other side, we have PvE content for players who prefer fighting monster instead of other players. For PvE, Chaos World offers dungeons, field bosses, and world bosses. These are the main ways to get better gear and rare materials. World bosses in particular bring many players together, which can be one of the more active parts of the game. Because of the heavy focus on auto farming, a lot of PvE content is designed to be done repeatedly. You can set your character to farm in certain areas or run dungeons with your guild. The daily system also pushes players to do specific PvE activities every day to stay on track with progression. Currently, the amount of PvE content is still limited. There aren't many different dungeons or activities yet, so it can feel repetitive over time. The developers have been releasing updates since launch, so more content is expected to be added in the future. So that's the current state of gameplay, guilds, PvP, and PvE in Chaos World. The game leans heavily into auto farming, which makes progression feel steady but also quite passive. Guilds can add a social element and make things more enjoyable, while both PvP and PvE are still growing as the player base increases. If you're okay with a more hands-off MMORPG experience and are interested in the cross ecosystem, Chaos World might be worth trying. Just keep in mind that active skill-based gameplay isn't the main focus right now. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more Chaos World content. See you in the next one.